Today I wanted to expand on a different dimension of completion. The dimension of perpetual completion that happens, please understand, that happens by constantly completing not just with your root pattern, all the pain patterns. It means at least 48 times you should do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Samskara Dahana Kriya means burning all your pain patterns, which is the root of suffering in your life. 48 days of Samskara Dahana Kriya can solve thousands and thousands of pain patterns in Samskara Dahana Kriya. Is one of the very comprehensive completion process. When you just sit and relive, sometimes you miss some incidents, you miss the depth, you miss to catch the exact pain pattern. But the Samskara Dahana Kriya is the most powerful process. This unique, powerful completion process as 4-step. Start penning down your earliest memories of your life, all the pain patterns, pains you experienced in your life. Physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, psychological pain, all the pains, pen them down and relive them in your inner space and relieve at least 5 times. Then relive them and relieve them using the mirror. Then sit with another person, go on sharing, share at least 5 times. Listen at least 5 persons completion story. Please understand, this is the most perfect, comprehensive completion process. After completion, destroy the paper you wrote, in which you wrote all your pains, and burn them away. If you are nearby our temple, center, ashram, you can do Rudrahoma and burn those papers. Otherwise, just burn them safely and dispose them. Understand? The pain of unfulfillment will leave your system if you do completion, Samskara Dahana Kriya, for 48 days. The pain of unfulfillment. Understand? The pain of unfulfillment which you carry in your life constantly, which started in your life the moment the root pattern started, that will melt down. The more and more beings you cause completion, the more and more you become complete. The more and more people you cause completion, the more and more you become complete. the more and more human beings you lead them to samskara dahana kriya, more and more of your samskaras get burnt. Literally, this process, when you enrich others, enriches you. After 10-15 days, the subtle pain patterns will start coming out, erupting out. Completion with all of them. Those subtle pain patterns, pain points, leads to deeper and deeper cleansing. And I tell you, 48 days of samskara dahana kriya will surely give you some siddhi, some miracle power. Whoever believes they have pain and world has pain, do this samskara dahana kriya for next 48 days. Enrich, teach. I tell you, there are millions of people who are suffering, waiting for some solution. They will listen to you. Whoever wants to spread peace in the world, do good to the world, remove the sufferings of humanity, do samskara dahana kriya and spread the signs of samskara dahana kriya. Samskara dahana kriya completion can be done even through two-way video conferencing or the Skype call. But you have to see each other's face. Only then it becomes effective. I want all of you to take the oath to live and spread the signs of completion, samskara dahana kriya.